Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly install this Shimano bike brake booster I was lucky enough to accidentally find online. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group for like-minded people who are into bike restoration. You're welcome to join that group with the help of the link in the description below. Although a bit more exotic, they fall into the same category as bar extensions in terms of being a decidedly 90s tech upgrade for mountain bikes. Apparently, they were indeed used on competition bikes, Missy Giova's Yeti Arc being a prime example here, and the brake booster on display is a DKG brake booster. In general, original vintage bike brake boosters are quite rare to obtain. A brake booster prevents the flex that occurs in the brake bosses when the spinning rim forces the brake pads to move forward and outward. The bike brake booster keeps the bosses in place, which in turn increases the brake performance and lowers the risk of brake pad squealing. Unlike more traditional brake boosters, this Shimano version is made from carbon, which lends it that bit of vintage pizzazz. And to accommodate for the extra room, a custom pair of longer hex bolts with washers are part of the package. The thick washer is meant to maintain enough space between V-brakes and the brake booster itself. I did a quick polishing step in between to remove any of the discoloration that had happened in 2 decades. And installing the brake booster is a piece of cake when you know in what order to place the various washers. The simple washers go on either side of the brake booster, with a thicker washer between the brake booster and the brake, and the washer with the small extension sits onto the brake pivot. And the end result looks awesome, and now I only need to find an extra one for the rear. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to consider joining the Facebook group, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next video as well. Bye for now.